All right. In this one, I'm going to show you about doing the soft duct and the flexible duct. You can see I've done a couple of them down here. This one's both of these are on the first floor level. Okay. Um, and the difference being flexible. You've probably seen these things in your basement. The rigid duct is just that. It's rigid. It's a sheet metal pipe or tube. And then the flexible duct is like a slinky, big accordion kind of thing. It's flipsy and flopsy. It's a tube with coiled wire in it, so it's flexible. Um, and it could have been used over here also, but connecting it to the elbow might have been difficult. I just plus I want you to try it both ways. So what we're going to do on this one here, let's see, that one was a 4 by 12 by 7, so I need to change that one out. 4 by 12 by 7, okay, and it was at a -5. Okay. All right, and so now we can go flex duct, but we want to change to a 7-inch and leave it at a 5-inch offset. These things keep picking back to foundation. Okay. All right, and then we'll click on the connector, come straight up, and intersect with that duct. And you can see sometimes it does some weird stuff. So I don't know why that wanted to do that. Okay. Sometimes you see some weird when it's doing this automatic stuff. It gets kind of weird sometimes, and you drag it up. I've been doing them. I've had them, pop into the bottom or try to pop into the top. So that's why you want to have two views open when you're dealing with those. Okay. But that's how we do the flex duct, and you could try it putting an elbow in, and then running flex duct over to it. You could give that a try if you wanted to. Okay, now then I'll go ahead and show you the basement. Which one is the basement? Let's see. Okay, so with the basement, I took when I put the duct fitting in the boot, I used my views and I rotated it down. I kept that same elevation. I just rotated it down and ran the ductwork the same way. Okay, so you can do those for the basement. It just I don't know that we'll be able to put a register on that. We'll look at the registers for it after we get all the boots and things like that in.